Have you ever watched Fear Factor? Okay, so you may have two questions. What is she holding? And why so slimy? Let me answer the first question by introducing Hackfish, the spirit animal of our project. They are a type of jawless fish that lives deep down the ocean, with more than 100 pores for secreting a slimy mucus when under stress. In fact, its scientific name, Myxine glutinosa, actually comes from Greek and Latin words for slime and glue. This is not typical slime though. You see, Hackfish slime is composed of two parts, the mucin and the intermediate filaments. When they mix under seawater, a loose network of filaments is formed which traps water and becomes the slime. The slime evolved as a defensive mechanism against predators, which clogs their gills and forcing them to stay away. According to research, Hackfish slime intermediate filament has incredible strength and elasticity that makes it to be a great candidate for high-performance future textile material, and possibly a substitution of synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon. And that's where our iGEM project, HagBric, kicks in. In our project, we are going to demonstrate a prototype of this novel material using synthetic biology to make fabrics, and that's why Hackfish and fabrics makes HagBric. Instead of harvesting the secreted slime from live hagfish, which is so cruel, so gross, and inefficient, with microbiology techniques, we'll put the gene for intermediate filament into bacteria called E. coli. These E. coli can help us to synthesize the intermediate filaments, and so we don't even need hagfish. But wait, why do we need a new textile material in the first place? Don't we already have many materials like cotton, nylon, and polyester? Surprisingly, every time you do your laundry, tiny microfibers breaks off from the clothes that are too small to be filtered and enter the sewage system, eventually flowing into the ocean. Polyester, nylon, along with acrylic are all human-invented synthetic fibers, and because our ecosystem hasn't evolved a way to break them down efficiently, they accumulate in the environment, much like plastics do. Natural fibers, like cotton, are biodegradable, but their mechanical properties are not as strong as synthetic fibers. As it turns out, Hackfish intermediate filament may have the best of both worlds. So, what makes it so special? If Hackfish intermediate filaments were made into clothes, it is biodegradable because they are proteins, using less water during production and being less harsh on the environment. Also, research proving that after cross-linked draw processing, it exhibits even higher textile strength and stiffness, very close to that of native spider draglet silk, which is, to the best of our knowledge, has not been achieved with other type of protein-based fibers. It is important to note that manufacturing is only one stage of the entire life cycle of clothes, and we cannot magically solve marine pollution with our project alone. Yet, we believe every small step we take still brings us closer to a better future.